Welcome back. This is my first show. Today I bring two different kinds of mama. It's me, I'm back again, so I'm gonna try to bring some more tom yum mama and mama musab and the mama tom yum. This also include tom yum too. So anyway, why did they name only manufacturers the mama so they can combine together? What I make it different today is warm. And this is my secret sauce, crab paste right here. And then I mix all the sesame seed and chili paste, chili oil, and cooking wine, everything combined in a one jar. Then I'm gonna open my noodle. So whatever you have traveling, you have trips, you go like far away, don't forget like mama. Don't forget to look for mama, save your life. They're also the same thing, but maybe they have different flavor. So make it soft, make a noodle soft. I love cooking in the natural. It's getting fresh out here, pretty clear. So noodles are getting soft, right? And now set the fire lower, and then my cucumber leaves. So I put my ginger down. Cucumber leaves, all this in there. So like a tom yum goong. Okay, now it's time to stir fry. Smell good with the cucumber leaves and ginger. So then after that, put my coffee down. So I'm going to add a little bit more sauce. not sauce, so you have to add your own sauce. It's not hard. You eat it with fresh pepper over here. Hey, I forgot basil, so I'm gonna put some basil on it. I get my noodle over here, very nice. So I'm gonna eat with the pork skin. Cool. My pepper, picking really delicious up here with the fresh air and the natural and the background over here, very nice.
Cooking mama, cooking mama, cooking mama, cooking mama.
Over here, juicy. Oh. Juicy, like sour. Eat this noodle, you have to eat with the fresh pepper, some whole pepper right here. You can cook tom yum goong and papa, mama together. So delicious. Looks so good. I must go on over here. Don't forget what to cook this kind of noodle. Mama like a chow mein, but you have to put it's like I forgot the shrimp. So whatever you have, like pork skin, so it tastes good. Come and join me for next show. So thank you very much for all of you to spend your time and sit down, relax, watch my show. Food show. I might try to make some more different moving forward. So thank all of you to watching and thank for the YouTube.